Hi, I'm Mansour Breck, president of X2O Media, and I'm here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. And today I'm going to talk to you about our visual enterprise communication solutions. And really what the platform does is provide you a single environment to reach out to employees and your corporate users wherever they may be. In this day and age where we have a new generation of workers that expect instant access to all information at their fingertips, with remote offices, people working on the road or just at home, it's really important that we not restrict ourselves to putting information up on the wall, but reach out to people on any device. So with our platform, we could start out on the wall in the lobby or hallway or lunchroom by showing typical digital signage channels that include KPI information, social media, news, and put it all in context so that employees have key information that they can do their jobs better with. And then we take this information and we bring it to you wherever you are. So we bring it to your desktop, we allow you to pin it on your desktop so you have access to that information at all times while you're going about your job. And then of course we bring it to your mobile device so that wherever you are, we're still able to engage with you and send you more personalized information than we could up on a general public display. And then we complete that solution by taking the same information, integrating your meeting room signs that show you the status of that meeting room, but also can integrate the same news and KPI, social media, as well as perhaps an alert that might go out, and we could send that alert out to all of those channels. So that's X2O's unified communications platform. And if you want more information, please have a look at www.x2omedia.com. Thank you.